Hello, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to add multiple network in a virtual machine. For example, this is my virtual machine. I want to add more network adapter in this virtual machine. So what should I do? Right click on your virtual machine, click on settings. Once you open the settings, then you will see this option. So as you can see, this is the network adapter that I have added before on this virtual machine. So if I want to add more network adapter, click on add button. As you can see, here is written network adapter. Click on finish. You will see this network adapter. You can use this adapter as an external or internal or private. So if I use it in external way, I can click on NAT. If I want to use this network adapter on a private, I can click on host only. Here is written a private network, share it with the host. So to add a custom virtual network, I can click on custom. Here is written specific virtual network. Here is a lot of switch you can add it. For example, I want to use this network adapter as an external. I can click on NAT. Click OK. So now we are going to check. Right click on network, open network and internet settings. Click on change adapter option. As you can see, there is 3 type of network I have added on virtual machine. So I can use this. For example, I can use this as an external network, or I use this as a private, or I use this network as a virtual switch. If you want to remove this network adapter from your virtual machine, you can go back on the settings. Right click on settings, and now you will see again this window. Click on your network adapter you want to remove, then click on remove. Click OK. Now go back. Here I have only 2 networks on my virtual machine. So I hope you understand, and I hope you like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Okay, don't forget to subscribe in the end of my video. Thanks for watching.